Good morning, guys. Morning, everyone. Morning. Sorry for the confusion. The thing is that I'm traveling, I'm on a cruise, and the Wi-Fi is not too good. So I wasn't gonna be able to do the stream, but I'm here. I'm here. So we'll see if this is gonna work out or not. Morning. I'm on a cruise for the entire week. So I'm gonna try my best to do the stream, but you guys know if I'm not here or if the stream is extremely slow, you know why. Buenos dias. Yeah, it's pretty nice. The weather here on the cruise, the food so far is fantastic. What are you guys watching for today? Do we have any data? Let's see if we have data coming up today at 9:45 or 10. We're going right now to Puerto Rico. Damn, QQQ, pretty strong gap up. Okay, so we're gapping up on the Q and SPY a little bit. So my main watches for today is gonna be pre-market high, especially for the Q. The Q is stronger than SPY or NQ stronger than ES. So pre-market high is my main watch for today. Let's see if it's gonna react there or if it's gonna act as support. We wait for a break and retest to the upside. Yep. We have pretty much a gap fill here on ES on Friday. Yeah, on Friday. After pretty much filling the gap, we had a strong bounce. And now we're hitting to a big resistance level. Yeah, Friday high. Let's see how we're gonna react to Friday high on ES. And on NQ, let's see how we're gonna react to pre-market high. That's way above Friday high. Any individual stocks that you guys are watching for today? We have this week is also another week with a lot of important earnings, packed with earnings. Let's see, today we do have a data at 9:45 and 10. And then we have a couple of Fed speaking at 12 and then at 2 p.m. But at 12 I'll be off already. But yeah, I need to keep in mind the 9:45 and 10. We have at 9:45 PMI and at 10 we have manufacturing data. So that's definitely gonna move the market. APEX is offering it only $40 lifetime PA fee. That's the first time that I see that discount for the PA fee. It's always like $85 or $105. Now it's 45. It's 70% off for the evals and only $45 for the funded account. So it's making the full, if you buy the eval plus the funded, it's under $100. Amazon, it's at $255. Oh, okay. Nvidia 207. Apple has an interesting chart. It's holding if can hold Friday low. That could be a nice one. Google also, if can hold Friday's low, could be a nice one. Okay, 3 more minutes. Yeah, thank you for liking the video. Morning, 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 Breed. Morning. Morning, everyone. Happy Monday. I really hope that I can do this the entire week. That the Wi-Fi here on the cruise, it's not that it's gonna work for the stream. Morning. It's almost time. CRM, let's go. Let's see how CRM is doing. Okay, 1 more minute until the market opens.
Got some food waiting on me, so I'm gonna see if I can find a trade rather quickly.
Morning,
Go to
guys.
eat. Morning.
Good morning.
Morning. I'm trading from a cruise.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hey,
Is it nice out? Is it blue skies?
Yeah, it's beautiful outside.
You should send some pictures in the chat.
Okay.
I've always
I'll
wanted to go on a cruise.
Got the email. Anybody that breached that last night is going to get a free reset just to start over. They're not going to completely take them out of the competition.
Interesting. All right, ding, ding, ding. I might be
yeah.
interested in an overnight high sweep to short.
We have data at 9:45 and 10.
All right, here's the overnight high, but previous day high is just 14 points above it. So
Okay, let's see if NQ is gonna break this pre-market high. 260.
we did. Oh, you mean like break it to get above, or you
Uh-huh.
swept it?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
kind of
previous day high,
reacting.
14 points above it. So like just two levels there. Okay, we're still inside. Guess I should have looked at the daily chart. We're still inside of a mother bar, an outside bar from Thursday.
I kind of like this reaction on NQ. Are looking pretty strong now.
Pretty big, get another big gap up. What is that from? Like 990s up to, yeah, it's a huge gap up. If we trade above previous day high at 274, I'll be interested in, and then it fell back below, I'll be interested in shorting. But then again, we opened up above. We opened up above yesterday, Friday's RTH high.
I like how NQ is reacting here.
So
ES is looking pretty weak. Yep.
think I'll be interested in attempting longs between 209 and 200, actually.
It's my entry there for a short, I think. Yep. That was a beautiful reaction.
If we really are strong, and this is sort of like somewhat of a bull flag breakout, I think, yeah, I'm gonna give longs a shot at, get down to like 201.
Damn, that was a perfect reaction. 260 reaction.
Yeah, that was a good projection.
I was gonna take it and then hesitated, and now it's too late for that. Well, the Q has a big gap below. So let's see how it's gonna react to Friday high. New York session.
Yeah, that's exact. Yeah, I have my I have a limit buy at 201 just to try it out.
If QQQ loses the VWAP, we're gonna keep going lower.
Damn, I was here talking. I was freaking muted.
Scrub.
And you're still looking for longs at that level, even though ES is rejecting at 6,900.
Yes. Kinda.
Kind of.
Apple's
I'm
pretty
in. We'll see. I
weak.
got a 15-point stop.
Nvidia's looking weak also. Amazon holding pretty good so far. Apple is crazy weak. Okay, QQQ
I
losing
just
the
gotta give it a
VWAP?
shot, you know.
The only thing strong is Tesla and Amazon, and well, Nvidia is kind of strong too.
Oh, it's holding now, yeah.
Damn, gold held PDC to the T. Wow, it's a nice one.
So the Q is trying to hold Friday's high. We'll see.
Can't wait to this freaking drop in the market.
Mm-hmm.
Ridiculous.
I know.
I'm gonna tighten. I'm gonna tighten my stop. Only $90 loss. See if we
Yeah,
can. All right.
I'd be
Yeah, that got
careful.
stopped.
I'd be careful with longs with ES rejecting that hard.
Yep.
You know, and Q's gonna follow. Maybe wait until lower level.
Here's Friday's value high at 185. I'm still kind of thinking like I might be biased a little long.
Yeah, careful with that, bro.
Yeah. Just looking at the profile. If we can hold 185 and get back above previous day high in the weekly last week's value high, I think that'll tell me buyers have some sort of intent. But if we fail, then I mean, this was also a really good rejection off of. I was just completely blind to the daily extreme. Look at that rejection
We
off the
actually
daily extreme.
never closed the gap to PDC overnight
Yeah.
on ES. It's still open, and Q as well. So Both open.
All right, so now maybe I'll be interested in shorts between 200 and 210.
Under 180, I think it's a short play.
To me, under 158. Actually, you know what? No.
I wonder if Top Step will count today as a trading day. If so, I made $330 last night and then requested a payout because that was 5 profitable days. And then everything got taken out of my account. And now I wonder if today sort of counts as like it resets the cycle, and if day counts as day one, or if tomorrow will count as day one.
I think it's today.
That would be nice. Yeah, my account balances are at 1,800 now, so decent wiggle room. That really was a good short. Damn.
Yeah, and Q1's downside.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just weak.
Yeah, I like this reaction on NQ.
Gold holding like 40.15, 40.17. Kind of looks nice.
Yeah, SPX opened up in a gap, which is starting to go close now.
Yeah, I'm in a
Still has
short.
room down.
I like this 180 reaction on NQ.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
ES
gonna
was
play game.
failing previous week's equilibrium all night. The first push up at yeah, 1, 2, yeah.
This 180 is gonna play games though.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little too early. Or might work out. This ES is still weak.
Apple is
So
pretty weak.
143. Damn. Let's see.
And SPY is just plummeting.
Yeah. I'm gonna start taking some profits here.
Yeah, ES is coming into previous week's open and monthly open, 81 to 78.
My oh my, an opening.
Yeah, both NQ and ES had a really nice overnight high sweep.
Yeah. Yeah, this 56, 58 area actually, it's kind of an area to be careful of on NQ.
Did I miss? Let's see. Did we get 50%? We did hit the 50%. Do I want to try it long right here?
Okay, I'm all out. I still think we're gonna go lower. I like the 180 reaction, but I'm fine with this. With my gains here.
I'm sort of looking at this range as 50% here. I think I might be too late. Nah, I think I would be more. Yeah, I'm not interested in longing. Now I'd be interested in longing lower, maybe like 26,070. Does that line up with anything? That's the previous week's POC at 65.
If you do long here, it'll just be a scalp out, up.
Yeah. Yeah, sort of just like a small dead count leaf
Yeah.
bounce.
Not a strong move up.
There's also the 15-minute 21 right here. Yeah. Kind of
There's a
interesting how that lines up.
945.
It's kind of
What was
tricky.
new? 9:45.
Yeah, do we have news?
Yes.
Yeah.
9:45 and 10. We have Amazon, Microsoft, and Nvidia holding pretty good. Apple is weak.
What's that 945? I don't unless okay,
You
yeah,
can ask
we do have a red folder in 15 minutes. Oh, there's basically the 1-to-1 off his zone.
What a bounce on gold. Shit. Sheet.
This is a little confusing. At any given moment, the max contracts you could trade is 10 micros or 2 minis.
On
So
what?
what's allowed the Grand Cup? So you're allowed long 1 NQ and long 1 GC. You're not allowed long 1 NQ plus long 5 MES at the same time. Why? Why are you? That makes 0 sense.
Yeah, that's
You know they don't want
pretty
anybody to win.
nice.
It's just that's what it comes down to, dude.
There's a pretty good Microsoft 520 hold and the VWAP. Looking pretty strong.
But you can long 1 NQ, but and then you can't add 5 MES at the same time. That's 1.5 contracts. It's kind of weird.
Damn, gold. Beautiful 180 reaction there on NQ.
It was. It really was. So the T.
But it's playing games here.
Anyone is brave enough to long go what it is, I would trail my stop closely. This whole area is a rejection from 27 to 50.
Yeah.
So 40 is rejecting.
Yeah, 36 area was the rejection area. If you look at it in a minute, it triggered a downside move, pre-market, and it's rejecting again. I'm gonna wait until
Yeah,
after 10. I mean,
yeah, I'm
we're
just
missing
sipping
a lot,
coffee and waiting.
missing a lot of good moves in
Oh,
the
okay.
market
So
right now. But yeah,
Brett's Twitter, it doesn't say it in the email, unless I didn't see it in the email. He says you cannot trade mini and micros at the same time. That doesn't make any type of sense.
Why there's so many
Oh, dude,
like
this burger place, last time I
influencer
ordered,
pushing this cup?
Probably
I
getting
don't know. I
paid.
think it's kind of fun. I think it's a little side quest or something fun to do.
Well, they're probably getting paid for
you know
that.
who should have joined it?
Me?
Yeah, we should have made an
ICT.
insiders
Mm.
team. Oh, I see.
Yeah, ICT should have joined that.
Yeah, right. Well, I know one dude that trades nothing but ICT. His team is like number 1 or 2 right now.
I mean,
Don't tell me TJR.
No, dude, fuck that dude. I'm talking about Brian.
Oh, stunk.
Yeah,
oh,
he's
stunk.
number
Yeah,
two right now.
I don't know. It's October was a pretty difficult
Last time I
month. I'm only thinking on making money for Christmas. This month and next one. Last year, December was, I remember it was very difficult. It was extremely choppy.
I've done
yeah.
pretty well these last 30 days, thankfully.
That's great.
Got 14,900 in payouts so far.
Nice, dude.
That's awesome.
Amazing.
Yeah, that is good.
Amp, you gonna get some Apex?
I was thinking about it. I don't know. I'm not in a rush.
Yeah.
This whole year, the trend I'm seeing, especially when I look at prop flow, is like just buying so many accounts. I would, let's see. Let me tell you how many accounts I've bought this year.
Just use your profits.
Like I save more money not buying accounts, you know.
Mm.
I've bought
Yeah,
552 accounts this year.
Jeez. Yeah, it's a lot.
So this last time I ordered from this burger place, dude, they gave you gloves, and they did not give me gloves this time. This is gonna suck.
What a nasty 30-minute on ES.
Yep. Yeah, that's a big red
But
candle.
we do have support at 68.73, so. And then right below is PDC. Might as well just go close it.
Hey, call your friend John Cena. You need a SmackDown the ES.
His name is John Cena. Oh Lord, that damn video. Okay, here goes the gap fill on ES. Almost, almost. Still missed it by a point. Damn. It didn't even hit it. That's crazy. Losing 5 minutes. Yeah. Lock it up, Andy. That's it. You're right.
I don't even think he hangs out in voice at all.
Hmm?
He doesn't hang out in
Oh,
voice. I've
okay.
noticed.
Oh, okay, yeah. Damn, ES didn't even fill the gap yet. I mean, the PDC. Crazy. Bear flag? Uh, what time
Stuff
frame
my
are you
face,
looking at?
but I don't think
Huh?
I see a bear flag on gold.
What time frame? 2 minute? Oh, jeez. 2 seconds. Yeah, it does not look like a bear flag to me, my friend.
Yeah, brother, there's no bear. Wait, what? Yeah, no bear flag.
We are kind of at resistance, but that bear flag may get bought up real quick. Not only that, but we got news in 3 minutes, so careful.
I don't even see a bear flag on the 15-second.
Could get smacked, but like I said, it's gonna get bought up. If it stays above, it has to stay above 40.32 right now. Then it's gonna go hit PDH. A couple of PDH up there that still haven't been tagged. 40.41 area. Give me them news. Give me them news. Let's go. Things are getting frothy. There you go.
Yeah, interesting hold here at 120 on NQ.
Look at that.
Yeah.
See what we mean, Kaji? That wasn't a bear flag. It was a bull flag.
Whoa. Okay. I'm short on Nvidia.
Yep, PDC got hit on ES. Bing, bing.
Alright, I'm back.
What the hell? Where's X? X is gonna get fired. It's
Yeah, dude.
unacceptable.
Fire that dude. Hey, I appreciate that. How do you Kaji?
Yeah.
Kaji,
Kaji.
thank you.
Hold on, I want to try something. Let's see.
Important support level here on ES
Share
and
my
NQ.
screen. I'm gonna start
Come
sharing
again?
my screen so it's. I said I'm gonna start sharing my screen so it's easier to talk about what I'm seeing.
I see it. Nice. ADR, what was it you said?
This is an important level for ES and NQ.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, if it stays above 62.73 or so, you'll probably see a little bit of upside. But the trend is to the downside.
Look at that reaction on gold at 42.
Yeah, that was a previous day close.
Yeah.
2 of them that were never tested on live, so it just went up there to test them.
Daily extreme too on gold.
This is messy. I don't like
Gold's
green.
5-minute failing overnight high kind of looks pretty good. I can't lie.
Yeah, we're thinking on getting with maybe 1 micro.
Yeah, MGC. Let me go on micros. Kind of want to try out maybe 3.
But I'm gonna wait a little bit for the 30-minute candle.
Yeah, you be going against the trend, so be careful with that.
Yeah.
I mean, we're at the top of the range. There's really no defined trend at the moment on the higher time frame, at least.
It could go
Just in
sweet
a big
40. It could go sweet 40, 49. Like a little double top. Damn, now I got that damn song stuck. Thank you, Sasha.
If I were to
You
follow
are
the
very
structure,
welcome.
the short's not really valid until we break this low.
Now between 27 and 46, really 50. I don't see any trade because it's not clear. We could easily go touch the top of the channel and reject when 27 is holding, and if 27 don't hold, then PLC holds. So it's not clear.
You tell him, Sasha. You tell him.
So one area I might be interested in long for NQ is 71 to 65.
That gold rejection is looking good. Also kind of looks like a head and shoulder.
Oh wait, I forgot I have a cup account. I'm gonna enter short on the cup account. Put my stop above that local high.
Yeah, I like that.
I'm up 3,500 on the account today, so I think I can risk, what is that, like 800 points?
On the cup account?
740. Yeah, on the cup account.
Nice. Insider's team is going to take it. That's it.
I wish we created a team. That would have been nice.
Yeah, we should have. Should have all, like, yeah, I agree.
We could do that for the next tournament.
Yeah, they did say this won't be the last one, so.
Since we all see different thing by the time, it could be
It'll be the
good.
last one to the next one. They always say
Yeah.
that. Be the
Yeah, I don't
last
think it's
one.
gonna be the last one. Maybe the last one for this year.
Yeah. It's kind of like Apex last sale of the year.
Do you
Month
still
later,
have your 20
new
account
sale.
case?
Huh?
You still have your 20
I'm
PA's
going
account?
to.
No?
I'm gonna no. Those got blown. I got.
Mm.
I gotta get some new ones. I got some TPT accounts. Yeah, I
Nice.
gotta build up. So that's what I'm working on now. You know, shit happens.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the thing is like at the beginning you need to be like careful and just taking a little like base hits and just go with
Exactly.
5 micros or small size until you get
Yeah.
way above buffer and your first payout.
What do you normally risk? What's your risk
It
per
depends
trade, would you say?
how big the account is and if I already took a bunch of payouts. Like it can be a little bit
Yeah.
risky if those accounts are already paid.
Yeah.
But now I have 5 TBT and I bought 5 funded TradeOfy, so I'm kind of going for base hits. Like at least $100, 200 daily, kind of building up that
Yeah.
buffer. I want to have to at least 3K or a little bit more in gains, and then I'm gonna start playing with 15 micros.
Okay. Yeah, it's
looking a
that's
little.
Go ahead.
Like
Sorry.
NQ is looking a little bullish.
Yeah,
ES2.
it's a nice hold.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted lower to 50% of this range. But we didn't quite get there, but now we're holding the high decently well.
I'm waiting to see how the
really
30-minute
much
candle is
prefer
gonna
back down.
close.
Because the hourly, like we've started shifting the higher lows.
So here's a question for you, ADR.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say this 30-minute candle on ES closes bullish, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the previous one is super bearish.
Yeah.
Then how do you handle that?
Well, my stop loss is gonna be today's low, right? 857, and my PT will be around 886.
Which is the 30-minute candle from 9 o'clock, from 8 o'clock, is it? From,
That's a resistance pre-market.
yeah. I see what you mean. Yep.
Like it will be. I'm gonna post it on the chat.
No, I see it.
You see it?
Well, post it for,
Yeah.
yeah. I see it. Just post it for the people that are listening.
Mm-hmm.
You want- Can't believe we're still stuck in this damn range.
Yeah.
This is ridiculous. I was watching a video last night from Carmine's partner
Mm-hmm.
saying that if we're still above 68.43, we're still bullish. Bulls still have the upper hand.
It definitely looks like we're
And
gonna
we have
bounce.
Nvidia. Yeah.
I
We
always been
still
a
have
fan of
Nvidia that
Uh,
has a report and
Dylan's
AMD has a report.
analysis.
Sorry,
I
go ahead.
mean,
You talking about Dylan there, Case?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've always been a fan of his analysis.
I'll post it. I'll post it here.
really seem. I guess it's more prominent on ES of the trend. NQ is starting
that
making
50
higher highs and
minutes.
higher lows, but ES, I mean, just constant lower lows and lower highs. And we haven't even. I feel like we could take out 43.
Yeah, I think the market's now waiting for Nvidia to report and AMD and whatever else is left. And after
Especially
that,
if
I
we
mean,
can't get back above monthlies open. Which is the daily open.
NQ's looking
Really,
stronger.
one thing I like to try to think about when like a new month opens or a new week is like a typical open high low close. I don't think there's been a high or low set, right?
Yeah.
Yes, last week closed bearish. I've always somewhat been a fan of if a prior bar closed green or it closed red, target the prior bars high or low, respectively.
Yeah, I like that too. Yes, rejecting again.
Yeah, right off that daily open. Oh, I think I almost got stopped on gold. I didn't though. I was 20 cents away from being stopped.
There is a small gap to fill between 40.31 and 40.31.4 and 40.31.7 on gold. If it ever wants to start going down.
Yeah, that's an ugly move on NQ.
Yeah.
Yeah, what I don't like on gold is, yes, it keeps rejecting resistance, but it's holding too good also, that 35, 36 level.
Yeah. Maybe a sweep of the highs from today and then a rejection, and that'll give you an idea of where it's going to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's an ugly rejection on NQ and ES.
Mm-hmm.
Jeez. That was the orb to the 15-minute. Looks like we're gonna make another leg lower. Yep.
Oh, wait. Okay.
Yikes.
Might try to give my 70 to 65 long a shot.
You gonna try longs down there?
At 70 to 65, maybe. 65 is last week's point of control. And then
Okay.
70 is 50% of this like high to low range. So if we continue this hourly higher high, higher low, then this is like the area I'd like to try to join in if it decides to continue.
And now we bounce.
Like I love trying to get in where I think a higher low would be set.
Yeah. ADR with the TPTs, did you use minis to build that buffer, or did you use micros?
Oh, micros.
Yeah.
Yeah, because on the funded you
Takes a little
have
while.
intraday drawdown.
Yeah, you do. Yeah.
And then if you did want to follow structure short, I mean 122 might be a good short. They're showing some wicks here though.
The hardest thing is trying to catch a reversal.
Yeah.
Trying to time it is the hardest thing to do.
We're moving pretty
So right
slow.
now, I would love to catch a reversal. Was that?
We're moving very slow.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. NQ is just
Oh,
doesn't
right
want to
off.
go down.
Previous day 50 is at right where we were bouncing. 81.50.
Made it. Made it. We're here.
Hey,
You're
welcome.
fired already, dude.
What a long friggin' meeting that was. Oh God.
Yeah, so there's a couple confluences here that I really like. Previous day's equilibrium is at 26,081. Structural 50% is at 71, and previous week's POC is at 65. It's like a little 20-point range of where I'd like to try longs. I just kind of want to see like a quick move down though.
For me to get any
I have a
longs
limit
here,
buy
I
at
need
70.
a better 30-minute candle.
Yeah, this 30 minutes not looking too great. It's holding, but
Yeah.
So this is my trade idea on my screen. I'm getting at 70.
And oh, you doing a
there goes our gold
presentation?
short. Amped.
Oh, is it doing it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Yeah.
go. I'm only 1 point in profit. No, 1.6, 1.5. All right, go lower.
We'll target 40, 31.4.
I was kind of targeting like 20s to 15s, sort of like the lows where we've been bouncing.
You could do that too. But I mean, the trend kind of changed to the upside.
I don't see a trend right now for gold personally. I just don't see a trend. All I see is a range.
I mean, I'm using something else that's telling me that. So there was that gap fill right there, 31.4.
If gold loses 27, 30 to 27, I will short it.
I could just be reasonable and then put a profit target at 50% of the prior range, which is at 22.5. That's what I'll do. I'll front run it a little bit and put a profit target at 23.
This is what I was looking at. That kind of showed me a trend. It's kind of like just a small
Okay.
cloud. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'm looking at like the hourly chart is kind of zoomed out.
Yeah. I was zoomed in a
Yeah.
little bit more. Kind of kept me
And
from.
plus, I guess I'm trying to trust in my own indicator here.
Yeah.
Tapped into the daily extreme, swept overnight high.
Yeah.
Now I'm looking for 50% of the prior range.
I get you. We all got our tools.
just want to stop the break even though. No.
Like I just took it long there from the 21, the 1021
On
for like a
gold?
couple of points. In gold, yeah. I use that cloud tool.
Oh, okay. I'm long. It looks like I might get stopped on NQ. Didn't realize.
The minute that the 1021 gets hit, that's the sweet spot for a reversal. It doesn't have to be a long, super strong long.
Ah,
Just for a
bummer.
couple
Okay.
points.
$300 loss on NQ.
Whoa. Okay.
Let's go fill
Dude, I
that
bet
gap.
Daily Open at 28. Am I trying to long there?
Nasty rejection.
Yep.
Yeah, that was heavy. That's super heavy.
I got out of that long on gold. Profit, but
ES down to 52-ish, kind of like a level I'm watching, and then obviously down to 44.
who's this guy?
20,
Who's that?
23
Oh,
points.
I just show up, say hi a couple times, and then I'm out. That's it. Also watch 26012, right? That kind of low from pre-market low. Into that 28, like you said, and kind of that area. It's interesting.
Nice. Good trade on gold, dude.
Oh yeah, it's good. I like that too.
I'm out.
Nice.
Look at that. That's a beauty. All right, I'm up 4,800. Why can't this be on my XFAs?
Make it happen.
Aggressive movement down.
Kind of want to try a daily open long on NQ just as like a little bounce, not for a reversal.
I hear this 53 on ES is interesting to me.
By this point, I'm waiting for 840 on ES.
Hey X, how many cups of coffee have you had already?
Only one quad. I got stuck in the meeting, otherwise I probably would have had more. So it's fine. Just a little jittery, not too much.
All right, I'm in another long on NQ here at 28.25. We'll see. Trying the daily open.
Are
Definitely
you in
cleaned up.
the cup challenge? Is that what you're doing, Amped, right now?
No, my XFAs.
Okay, gotcha.
I was gold short on the cup account. Maybe we could go take overnight low though, which is a little risky for me here.
Yeah. So wait to see what happens at the 0.14-ish.
Yeah, very clean downside today.
All right, I got out break even. I think I'm gonna want to either wait for overnight lows sweep or at least see something on the footprint of interest. I don't see anything yet of any type of buyer present.
I took along at 21 and got out at 31. It's real quick. I'm not fully sure we're getting to get a big move up. I'll do a quick scalp. Again, as we push down to that pre-market low, that 12, right? 0.12, I was like, okay, let's give it a shot. I knew kind of below 10-ish, I probably would have just bailed and reevaluated. So it's only about a 10-point stop for me. Kind of a 1-to-1 risk reward.
Gold is creating a higher low from that morning move, from that morning drop.
Right off that structural 50%.
50. It's 50.
Damn, bro, I'm up $4,800 and I'm only ranked 336. It's crazy, dude. People got like 26K profit already. Like fucking how?
Degenerates. They just go all in.
Can Nvidia just die already?
Are you in a short?
Yeah, on Nvidia.
Yeah, take shorts.
Daily Open's holding kind of nice.
That's the Asia
And it would
London
be,
low on you.
yeah, did it take a look? Yeah, it did take, no, it made it equal low. Oh. Yeah,
I'm
it
waiting
did.
for 2600, yeah, on NQ.
This would
Well,
definitely
this
be
got
playing
capped.
mind tricks on anybody that is short and looking for like overnight low.
I'm sorry, 26K.
I think we'll get it though. I think we'll see lower.
I think we will
Gap
too.
fill.
I'd like to see us down to 993, give or take 990. See what happens down there. See if we can then reclaim 26.
Gold's failing again. Still making a higher,
Okay,
That's
higher low, but
why is the market moving low? Like Nvidia is holding, Apple is holding, Microsoft and Amazon are also holding. They're
I
pretty
think
much flat.
we're in a balanced range, so I think we're buyers and sellers are kind of happy and just trading the highs and lows. Really, I'm not too like yeah. This whole range right here, we're just kind of trading in balance. I don't think anything in specific is driving us lower.
When we touched that 12, exactly, which is what I was looking at. Almost done. I still think that there's a little bit lower to be had, personally.
somebody call Trump. Some sweet. Tell him the market's going down.
Did y'all see any of this stuff that was talking about if Congress or if somebody doesn't pass the tariff stuff, what'll happen? And then Trump was like, it'll hurt the economy.
Yeah.
And I think that decision is like this week, right? Oh my God, here's the bounce. Nice.
Yep, almost to
Did
the
that
tick,
even,
too.
did that even hit my stop loss? No, it didn't.
I took that bounce on gold with a couple
Yeah,
micros.
I'm bitch made, dude. I'm nothing but a
Wow.
bitch.
Oh, man. Oh,
I
well,
like
I
that
thought we'd
higher
see a
low.
lower first, but we did
This is
not. Okay.
exactly where I wanted to.
It's crazy how micros on gold pays well.
Yes.
It
Very
is
well.
it is crazy how well it does. Nice
Yeah,
little
Natasha's
bounce.
out here throwing multiple minis at gold like you're an animal. I can't even fathom like 3 minis at gold. Like, oh God.
The average range of the daily bar on gold is 96 points, which is $9,600 on one mini. So yeah, micros are definitely the way for
Yeah.
gold. But I'm a degen and
Yeah.
always just trade one micro, or I mean one mini.
I'm up like $200 on those freaking 2 micros.
All it takes,
Crazy.
dude. It's nuts.
The thing is, when
Right.
you move with minis, you have to be a sniper. So
Mhm.
Yeah.
I just rather wait and see clear PA.
Oh my god, bro. Oh,
Look at that.
thank you.
Yeah, this hurt. I was in the long. Oh man. I was in the long at
That was a
21 out of
London low,
out of
man.
31. Oh my God.
London low,
Yikes.
double bottom.
Yep.
That was the perfect
Yep.
spot for long.
Hell of a move off that bottom there. Jeez. Okay.
ADI, you don't use like London levels, right? Or
No, I don't
overnight?
even know what's London time or Asia.
Yeah, it's London starts at 2 a.m. Asia starts at 8 p.m.
Okay, I see the London low. I see it there.
Yeah, that's it. That's what we went down to. And that's what caused that move up. So hence the reaction. Uh-oh, VIX created a double top. Row.
That's the fumble of the day. Fumble of the day. Next. This is like the third or fourth time I fumbled the lows. I did it like 2 or 3 times last week too.
Stop fumbling, man. Stop.
Yeah. Bro, I'm just like
Stop
the
doing
Raiders
that.
last night, dude.
Stop radering.
Fucking stupid ass team.
Raiders.
We'll see the end of the Bengals game. Oh my God, what a disaster for them. Team cannot win.
X, you like using RSI, right?
I do like using it and have it up on occasion of different things. But yes, I do utilize RSI to kind of help me with overextended days, right? With days where we just kind of push in one direction. I may use it for, okay, we could get a bounce here, or okay, maybe I don't want to keep taking longs into a very overly bought situation.
Look
Why
at
do you ask?
that one that I sent in the chat and use it on a 30-minute.
RSI divergent. Where is this indicator?
It's
You say
on
trading view?
TradingView.
Nope, I don't use trading view. So
Huh?
yep, I don't.
You don't use TradingView?
I'm super old school. I'm from the Desi generation where I just use TOS
Oh,
for
okay.
all of
Yes.
my, yeah. So I use TOS for, you'll see every post I do, if it's not Tradeovate or PJX, because I show you my entry, all my actual charting is on TOS. I don't chart on Tradeovate or on PJX.
I mean, I use both. So,
Mm-hmm.
um,
I'd love to have amped fancy levels, fancy zones, but I can't. TOS won't even convert it because TOS doesn't have averages like that, like you can do with TradingView. So I tried.
TradingView is
It
great,
should
man.
have average like it's just math. So the script would take the the uh the open, the high and the low, or just the daily bars, and then the code would make it the average. So maybe I could try to play around with it and see if I can get it to work
Okay,
someday.
let me know.
Maybe when
I
I get back home.
tried and ran and I hit a brick wall with it. It was having issues with actually making. What it would do is it would just take a level. It would give you like a level like somewhere in the middle. It wouldn't give you a zone. It was like it couldn't take zones, couldn't
Yeah,
make the
what is
zones
it?
for whatever
Is it
reason.
ThinkScript is what their code is
Yeah.
called?
Yeah.
ThinkScript
Use
is
That's
coded
correct.
off.
Yeah,
ThinkScript. Yeah.
it's ThinkScript. Because there's a lot of really cool
Yeah,
indicators
so
in TradingView.
the thing with like the AI probably doesn't, there might not be a lot of references for ThinkScript because it's its own programming language.
And I obviously used AI to help me convert it, right?
Yeah.
I wasn't doing this manually. I don't.
Let me see if we
I've
can
messed with
use-
ThinkScript. I've created some stuff, but I use AI to help for sure.
Gold, very clean VWAP bounce today, twice.
It just took a short right there because of 10-minute fair value gap that was left open. Let's go. Gotta build that
Dang.
buffer.
Nice. That does look like a pretty good short.
Gotta build that buffer. Let's go. Cool.
It's 68.70 area could be resistance. 26.115 could be kind of resistance too. So we could be struggling right about here. As I say, could be. It looks like we are. Or too late to the party now, but
Yeah, I'm out on that short already. Boom, boom, boom.
quick in and out.
Look at the fancy zones for gold, though. It's kind of crazy. Could this be a
short
long
spot?
in
Get
Q?
that. No, this to me looks like I wanted lower than 26.012. I'm curious. I mean, it could be amped, right? Like I'm curious if now this is the spot where we pull back down to lower high, going back to 26.1. Well, let's see. If I look at still below VWAP, obviously 26 for me 26.120 ish area is I think going to be a problem. We get up there. We look at ES is literally touching the pre-market low and rejecting it, right? So
Yeah, I like this
my gut
reaction
says
on
short, but that's
ES. We'll see.
yeah, that's my gut is telling me short on ES, but we could push up to VWAP. We'll give us a little bit higher, right up into the 878, 880 in that area, possibly.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
I'm a little hesitant to jump in.
Just waiting for a video to die,
I
and I
might-
need one more trade on futures.
Like NQ's about to.
I might try to long in Q, to be honest.
Okay,
I
I love
bit.
that. No, that's great though, right? So we're both seeing different things, and that's fine, right? There's nothing wrong with that.
I'm still waiting
And
for
I'm not touching it right now.
26K on NQ.
That's where I think we're going to. I think we have to get to 992-ish, right? I think it's where we're heading, and that's why I think that this is a short that's going to get us there. But I could be very, very wrong.
Yeah, I'm in a long. I could be wrong too. Let's see. The RTH sessions. I'm trying to follow the trend. Like starting Thursday, we're one time framing up, hopefully, and then hopefully we continue that trend here today. But I could be wrong.
That's amped right there. Just saying.
Hold on, what are you showing? What are you showing? That's good.
What are we looking at? Just
That's good.
I wouldn't mind two legs up either, like a two-legged pullback, two-legged relief bounce up into 50% of this prior range on my screen here, up into VWAP. It all just kind of lines up. My stop up now to that low. So risking 225.
Damn, I should have stuck in that short gold. Shit. I let it go too early.
I'll pick it up for you.
Thanks. Thanks. Dun, 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 dun. That's Sasha's theme song when she goes to the rescue.
Oh, Jackie's in it too? Jeez. Case, why'd you bail? Damn, dude.
Damn.
All right, I'm in my stop break even now. I'm up $400.
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
Hope you guys make too much money, Jackie and Sasha.
Only one person that can do that.
We don't pull up those type of cases.
Oh,
Oh, great. Doo-doo.
All right, I got out there. 600.
Nice.
Way too much money.
Good long, good long, good long. So that puts me up like 230 on the day. After I'm up 586 today, but that's not taking into account the money I took out of the account. So I'm up like 250. Kind of what I'm like leaning towards, I guess. Just like a continuation of these RTH sessions, putting in higher lows. But if you look at that today's profile on that picture I just sent, that tons of volume at the top there with a rejection just seems concerning. Oh, that gold short case. You fumbled.
Wow. Wow. Jeez. Did not hold back at all there.
It's
Nah,
all
you came
right.
at me, so it's only fair.
I mean, that's
You're mad at me.
valid.
Oh man, that's that Navy Air Force rivalry.
You mean Army? What the fuck?
I mean, fucking Army. Sorry. Forgot.
If I went any other airframe besides Chinooks, I'd be probably in trouble of getting either kicked out or
Same
reclassed.
gold.
The Army is doing like a restructure right now and getting rid. They're downsizing the aviation force, so they're getting rid of pilots.
Really?
It's crazy. Yeah, like people just coming out of flight school or whatnot, or being told, "All right, you're gonna go reclass to go be something else."
Damn, dude.
Yeah, we're
Imagine.
focusing on the next war, which is UAV heavies. So the Army's trying to
Yeah,
here's that
that makes
second leg higher.
makes sense. UAV.
Damn,
Gold can
nice
sweep.
leg higher.
Gold can sweep this previous swing low here.
Gold's gonna go test that PDC again. Might actually
Yeah.
fail it.
Look at drop. I have a day of 15.
Yep, it's gonna fail that PDC this time around, most likely. Kind of yeah, it will.
Damn, now I'm just ranked 400. I wonder if they've already adjusted. Probably not. The people they're going to take out. Let's see. Oh, okay, they're going to reset it at end of day. So curious about how many accounts are going to be reset at the end of day.
Trying a short here on ES. Oopsie, no, did not buy me. Oh,
Say, oopsie. That's all right. You know what? There's always another trade. So it's all right.
I want to see if ES holds this right here. The 72 spot. Holding that 72, trying to anyway.
If ES can break and hold 880 and turning it, this into a long. But if it keeps rejecting 880, I like it for more downside.
Yeah, I'm torn right now, right? It's like this 72 hold makes me think possible long. If it breaks 72, I think we're definitely going down. And then the same thing, like I want to get over 880. I'm being short on NQ though, for sure.
This is previous week's POC here. It's kind of interesting. I do like how ES bounced off of Thursday's low.
We hit the low.
Wow, look at ES. Jesus Christ, look at ES's weekly level statistical levels. Crazy. I don't really see much right now.
No, you're
I think
just
the only trades today really were the short of overnight high and kind of this long at daily open.
yeah.
If you wanted to follow a structure, this could be like just the immediate structure. This could be like a long. Just starting to try to put in higher lows on the 1 minute.
I am in an ES long from 72. Stop's gonna be below this 2-minute candle at 70, so my stop will be around 70. I'm gonna try something quick here. See if I get a little something out of it. It could be nothing, but holding the 72 is still
Man.
interesting to me. So
ES little head and inverse head and shoulder. And then holding overnight low for the moment right now.
this is it, right? The holding that 72 for me is what I'm testing. But we lose it, it's fine, no big deal. It's a tight stop. So
What a tease on ES trying to go fill that gap, and it's like, no, not yet. That's crazy.
problem is the last 2-minute candles, last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2-minute candles have all closed the exact same level. within ticks of each other. So I mean it's feels like it's just kind of waiting to pick a direction here. And it should get going. But it could be down. I'll look for 78-ish, 77.5 as my first, and then I'll look for 80. I'll have one above 80 in case we are able to pop to 80. That's all looking overly promising. Not yet. Gotta get over that VWAP or blow.
Thune.
I don't trade ES often. This slow.
No, that shit is.
It's
My
slow.
buddy's adding long in this area.
It's
Got long
slow, but
74s and he's adding more.
yes, it's slow, but it's manageable. You know.
I
That's
don't
the
disagree. I don't disagree. My quad shot though wants me to get in and out fast. Right?
Yeah,
Like
I mean, just trade NQ. You know.
yeah,
Or
well, that's
trade
what I
gold.
do. NQ and gold I trade 95% of the time. The only reason I'm in ES is because of that little hold there, right? At the pre-market low. It's the one that I saw hold, and that's what I wanted to see and make it work. But it is news in me.
But when it moves, oh boy.
Yeah, oh
That
yeah,
thing-
yeah. I mean, if we get going, I mean, we'll be in good shape. But like,
Yeah.
I think we'll get a decent push one way or the other. I just don't know where it's going.
Let's go gold. Go break that PDC. Go, go, go. Uh-oh. Oh shit. Uh-oh.
What?
My X platform just froze.
Oh yeah, that's fun.
Twitter or Project X?
It's Lucid
Right.
X.
Yeah,
Oh wait,
so
yeah, mine did too. Oh wait, oh my god, it's
doing
It's
its
back
thing.
now.
let's
Boy.
look at the. I'm sure the Discord's blowing up. Frozen. Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah. Instantly, whenever it happens, it gets wild.
I'm still in it, but it came back, but it just froze there for like a quick minute.
Hashtag best platform.
Yeah. Yikes. Yes, you want to do something for me, please?
No.
Do something, anything. Like, here we go. It's gonna pop right now.
And no.
I'm like, oh god. It's not even that much money. Just do something.
Here's
I'm
an
gonna get out of this trade
880
on X.
resistance and the VWAP on SPY. I'm watching that. If the VWAP turns into support, it's a long. If it keeps reacting, I like the short play.
Oh man. Oh shit, I gotta
Still just holding 62, 72. Well, why is it? You don't do that.
I might
Being
try a
weird.
long at like 67, 68.
wild. You're wild.
The problem is the
So
last like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles on both. Yeah, less like 5 2-minute candles on both ES and NQ have done literally nothing.
I have a
Like,
limit
just-
buy at 67.5. That puts my
love it.
stop loss below the higher low. So if I get tagged in it, that'd be nice.
Come on, gold.
ES just messing with me right now. Is this it? Is it happening right now? Is this it? NQ thought it was. ES was like,
taking
maybe.
my limit order off. Kind of popped without me.
I missed the good stuff this morning, it looks like.
Come on, gold. Break that PDC. There you go.
Okay, I'm out. Boo.
All right, I'm long in Q at 65 even. 250 point or $250 stop.
I took that loan on NQ too.
Very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop to break even. I'm up 450. It's a good hold on ES for overnight low. Just struggling at the daily open for ES.
Okay, I'm all out on NQ. That was nice. Still holding my short on ES.
Oh, look at you hedging a little bit.
Yep.
Nice.
I took a quick long on with Tradeify? No, TBT. And I'm short ES on Tradeify. But I definitely think it looks more a long than a short. But I like it because
I still
SPY
feel
is
the
still
long, yeah.
rejecting the VWAP. So we'll see.
I could have gotten shake. I mean, my stop was at 70 and a quarter. I could have got just shaken out at the low there, unfortunately, but that's okay.
I get break even right here.
I do think NQ looks like it wants to bounce here. I don't know.
Oh, gold. Gold, you gonna slip?
Okay.
There you go, gold. Next target on gold would be first one, maybe 4,000.
All right,
Three?
I closed for 140 on NQ.
Nice.
It came with like a point of stopping me out. So when I had like a little micro
Woo!
bounce, I closed it.
Yeah, you're like just happy to get out.
But watch it be a fumble, dude. Watch it just push right here.
I mean,
It's all good. I'm up 700 on the day, so
my gut's still saying the
damn,
holding
look at
of
that,
this
dude.
level
Look at
72
that.
still looks like a long to me. Oh boy, you have to get ready.
Yeah, sell it.
This
Damn. Why
this
did
could
I
go.
close it, dude?
This could go. Oh god, I'm gonna pray for you that it doesn't, and also for ADR that it doesn't. Right? Because if it does, that's gonna put her on a spot. And I
No,
don't
who
want you to
does?
feel
It's
bad.
good. It's a good trade. We're just failing to go lower. That's
It's gonna pop.
Yeah, it looks
I
like it
think it
wants
is.
to
This
go.
whole ES hold of 72 for me was very like. Yeah, I had to have a
dude.
stop. So I had to stop below
That's
that 70, but
insane, brother.
there it was.
So my stop was 65.25. And it came down to 65.50. And then so I closed for $100 profit. And when it had a little micro bounce, earned 30. And now look at it. Son of a gun, dude.
This is why I think it is gonna pop. This little tool tells me this thing is on compression. When it decompresses, when it fires off, you're gonna see a pop.
So compression, I'm assuming you're talking like kind of like a coil, right? It's currently
Mhm.
winding, and then it's gonna release one way or another, right?
Yeah, it's pushing to the upside, so it's gonna release up.
Yep.
Right now, gold is on compression down on a higher time frame, so it's definitely gonna keep going.
That was a good. Got taken out, unfortunately, by about 2 ticks. That's really not excellent. That's all right. Damn you, ES. That's why I don't trade you. I mean, I'm
Slower
blaming
than the
ES.
lot.
Yeah, I can't. It's not ES's fault. It would have won. It just swept that level that I thought I was gonna hold. That's all. No biggie.
Yes, it's difficult when it is in a channel. Is 4K and gold gonna hold? Or what we doing?
I mean, this area held pre-market, so if you look at it,
Mhm.
look on the look left around between 4 a.m. and 6 a.m.
But some between 4K and 405.
Yeah, I'd love to get a sweep of 4,003.
Mm-hmm. That would be lovely.
You could
Test that
first
4 a.m. low.
Yeah, yeah.
If we get a sweep of Asia low, that will be a dream trade.
Oh,
And which
still
area
hasn't
got
fired.
there?
Actually, you know what? This may
That's a
not
good point.
fire up. This NQ may actually reject because it's not. Hmm, I'll check. I'll wait to see. Yeah. Um,
There's just no volume right now. Zero like participants.
Where the heck is this?
A 123 short sounds like a good idea. It's VWAP plus 50% of the structured range.
Okay, it's getting a little frothy, so it looks like it does want to fire up
Yep. Yeah.
on
Definitely.
NQ.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. I'll kick myself later, don't worry.
Okay. Still
Not that you were,
compressing.
Kate.
I might try a gold long.
Okay, I got stop out there.
On the ES trade, ADR?
Yeah, but I'm going long now.
Yeah. The flip?
Yep. I like how it's spies holding the VWAP.
Yeah. ES holding that 72 is really nice. Still like it too. We have to get over this
Alright.
orb low here.
I'm
Get
long
back into the
gold
orb.
at 12.7.
You're wild.
You go.
You are wild, my friend.
My stop
What's your
is
yeah?
at 05.5.
Still hasn't fired up yet. NQ still going. I don't know. I don't have a clean read on this one. Could fire up or down, but I don't know.
I think my final trade on the day will be, at least in my XFAs, a 122 short on NQ.
Yeah, that's a good area actually. I don't know, man. That gold.
Yeah, it's in my cup account, and I'm up
Oh, okay.
like 4,200 today on gold.
Now I
So
like the
I'm
rejection
risking
here again on ES.
like 400.
Yeah, this
I think
might
I
not
got a
fire
fake
up.
out.
Yeah.
The daily open rejection on ES.
Tricky.
Daily open, such a key level.
Oh yeah, it is for sure.
Yeah.
Wow. Was okay.
Tool failed me.
Damn you, indicator.
Damn you. Damn you for failing me.
I think I'll look to get out of my gold longs around 24.
Nice.
Oh no.
24. Woo. ADR. Yeah, that Yeah. Unfortunately, the opposite happened to me. I got stopped at the low by 2 ticks before it went, and yeah, I got stopped at the high before it sold. People say trade ES, it's easier.
It's
Not as crazy.
easier, but
Uh-huh.
what's this PA's trash.
Yeah, this was tough. I mean, I'm looking at the 2 minute, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 7 or 8 2 minute candles in a row with dojis. Like, it's not great.
Trade ES, they said.
Yeah,
I
exactly. It'll be fun, they said.
like I definitely should have waited for a strong view uphold on SPY because that was why I was playing it short because SPY was reacting the view up. But we'll see. Definitely looks weak, but it's still holding these 70s.
I come home Thursday night. I'm pretty excited.
Nice, dude. How long has it
I
been?
think I'm 9 months.
9
Jeez.
months? Whoa.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Get home
protecting
and
us.
build
I got
get home
sold out
and
there.
build this supercomputer I got waiting on me. So excited.
If this thing bounces here and then it holds 880, I'm gonna be so mad. Yep.
Did Project X lag again?
I
There's a
haven't taken a
gap
trade
in
on it.
there's a gap in price
Yeah,
on your
it's
view.
working.
I think it's working, but there's a gap in price between 1126 and 1127.
I went long on NQ down there, higher low from the bottom. Just a quick one.
Oh, it's so interesting. You say now after it's juiced up. Thanks, Case, for the heads up.
My bad. I took it at 54.
No, it's all good. Just giving you a hard time.
I made too much money already.
Yeah, well, that's I mean, I assumed, right? You don't want anybody else to feel that way. You'd feel guilty.
Okay, so I got a
I'm actually
fake
targeting that
going
100.
short and long. Beautiful.
Yeah, I'm targeting that 100 level.
Look at that. Oh, man. Wow. Yes, it's so easy. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Great. Looks fantastic.
It's like
Yeah,
a video game.
Buy the lows, sell the highs, baby.
How do you make money?
Up, down,
Sure,
left, right.
Yeah. AB start.
Yes. Okay. Hold one. I take profit. Let's go. TPT.
Take profit on TPT.
What was that?
I said take profit on TPT.
Not yet. I want that 100 level.
Damn, dude. I love that though. Yeah, my God. Gonna haunt me for the entire day. It's all good. Even if I trade nothing else, I'm still in the good day green. It's fine. It's fine.
I'm only holding one right now, one micro, so it's not really doing much, but still I want to see
It's something. Sometimes it's
Raiders
really about
are-
just taking your shots, right? Going, taking your plan, even if it's small size, just to make sure, just to kind of get that feeling that okay,
You have a good
it
day,
worked out.
Jackie.
It's good.
I agree with everything you said.
I got stopped out. Don't mind. So. I agree, Jack. That's why I'm a Patriots fan instead. Real dynasty.
That was a close one yesterday.
Yeah.
Could be a long season for the Celtics.
Keep building though.
So, yeah.
Look at this, go to 100 after it stops me out. There you go. Thank you. Nice. Jackie knows what's up. No Raiders out here. We don't do that.
So I'm only a Raiders fan because I normally never watched football, but my girl's family does a huge event every single fucking weekend to watch them, and then they bought me a jersey for my birthday. So I was like, all right, and now so I kind of just root for him. But holy shit, dude, I didn't realize I would get into football and just be devastated every weekend.
You're like, I guess I'll be a fan. Look at that. Gold reclaiming that 12.7
Guys,
level.
I'm gonna call it. Sorry, Case.
Ooh, let's go, gold.
Today.
I'm sorry.
Sasha made too much money today.
Gold made me work today. So I'm gonna call it today. There's nothing much.
No.
All right, guys. See you later.
Yeah.
See ya.
Later.
Bye.
This is a nice hold for gold. I like this level.
Yeah, no. I got long a little too high, but I'm at 12.7. I've been in it for, I don't know, a while now.
I'm waiting
I still think
here
it's
to
gonna go a
see
little
if
lower.
ES is gonna hold 880.
I just don't think there's much going on right now. This is kind of.
Nothing
I want to
happening.
build this damn buffer on TPT.
Yeah, it might be coffee number 2 time for me.
I need another one.
Mm-hmm. I think I'm done now.
Sasha's like, I'm leaving. And then she goes, you know,
Yeah, actually, I'm gonna
go looking
go
at it.
walk to the little dining facility and pick up some Coke Zero while we're just in this range. I'll be back in like 15.
Nice.
Okay.
While we're at it, I'll leave up my gold trade here. See how I can see it.
I'm gonna take a little long on goal right there.
What was I looking for?
Missed it. Missed it. Shit.
Wow. Just instantly popped there. Okay.
Let's see, I
I'm
was
telling you,
looking
gotta go for
for
that 100, man. Thank you.
This ES is looking decent for long too. If we can get going up in here, we're back over this 78. We got to get over this 80, and then I think we can go. All right, I'll be right back too. I'm gonna get some coffee. I'll be right back.
His 20th cup of coffee for the day.
No. It's cup 2. Just because cup 1 has 4 shots in it doesn't mean it's still not cup 1, right? There's a difference. It's all in how you. It's all how you deliver the message, right?
Okay. Alright, is ES gonna hold here now?
Oh yes, yes, it is. It is. I'm kidding.
We'll
That's my gut.
see.
Don't listen to that. It's usually wrong.
Thank you. Go
Yeah.
to my
Oh
target now.
man.
Another reaction. Okay, I like this. That's trade for me today. I like this buy VWAP hold. That's my stop loss. Nah, don't do it again.
Mhm.
Okay. What did I miss? Oh, there's more screwing around. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
No clear anything. I have another meeting at noon I have to be on, so. Well, that's
So
a good
you're
time to stop anyway.
you're
I'm
already
back.
fired anyway. It's all right. So,
Yeah,
It's
that's probably
raining,
true.
so
What you say, Ian? I missed it.
said I'm back. It was raining, so I decided just to get water. and food.
You're like,
So
I ain't going out there. Screw that.
yeah, nope.
I think if ES can really hold here, it's gonna go back to today's high.
I still, I guess I'll say now ES is going. I mean, I was in the long earlier, so I still feel confident the long can play out. This holding now of 80, if it can.
All right, I closed my gold long for like 300. I'll end the day on Tradeify up 5K. I think that's good, and then see how I stand after they reset a bunch of accounts tonight.
Yeah, I think it's a good plan. It's not about this is a long. This is not like the other ones, like the BDH one. It's not like these other tournaments. This is a little bit longer. So I think
No, it's
getting a decent
I
day
think it's a
in.
little worse. So
Oh,
the
really?
first week you're just trying to build your account, and then the second week, I think it's the bottom 30% every day get kicked out. So you have to like try to fucking grind.
Okay.
damn. NQ went up to 99
99.
instead of 100.
Come on, ES, push here. Do it.
Are you in a long right now, ADR?
Yep. Last trade of the day.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I'm not trading in this range. Fucking ridiculous. Oh wow, yes, pushed. Oh, technically, Brian Stonk's team is number one.
Is it? Yeah.
Wait,
Earlier,
no,
earlier was
no,
Market Scooter
Rocket
was number
Scooter.
one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Rocket Scooter's number one.
Yeah. He's the guy that won the BDH.
He trades
Yep.
like
Good
all
trader.
day. I don't know how he does that. He trades like 10 different props. He trades his own account.
Mhm.
Now he's trading the cup. That is too much.
So I've watched him. It's a really interesting thing that he does. He doesn't copy trade at all. Everything is like it's kind of similar to I do a rotational or a roster system as well, where you kind of you trade one, you trade another, you trade another. But what he does is he has his levels, and then once it hits the level, he enters in one account. If it goes below that, he enters in the next account. If it goes below that, he enters in the next account. Right. So it's a really interesting way to trade.
So he's
But
like
he's got whatever
DCing,
whatever he's
but
doing, he's got
not
to
in
figure it out.
Is he like DCing, but not in the same account?
Correct. Yes.
Okay,
Yep. That's how he risk manages, right?
pretty
He
smart.
has like let's say a level at 50, then a level at 22, and then a level at 95, right? He'll go in with the one in the first, then one in the second. But I mean, this dude crushes it. So he's whatever he's doing is working for him.
Yeah. Yeah, it's making a lot of money.
Mm-hmm.
And he also like he doesn't look for a big move. I see him taking like most of his trades are like $200. But he does copy trade per prop, right?
No.
No?
Nope.
So he
does
makes
not.
like
What's his name?
40
Matt
different
something, right?
trades?
Matt.
Matt Trader's Paradise. Let's see. Let's look at
So
his
yeah, so he doesn't copy
screenshots.
trade per thing. You'll see if you look at the end of the day, all of his accounts are all different level, all different prices, everything. Like all of his accounts have different. Now he does copy trade evals. He does copy
Okay,
trade.
okay.
He does not copy trade his fundeds because he's just trying to pass evals, right? So he's just. I mean, this is most influencers, right? Like let's be honest, they just throw money at evals and try to pass a whole bunch and just stack them up, right?
Yeah.
That's kind of how they do it because they have this
Well,
money
it makes
from
no sense
affiliate
to
stuff.
waste time on evals if you have a lot of money.
Not for someone like that. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Time is money, right?
Mhm.
Spend that time trading fundeds if you're good. For someone who's new and learning and getting started, you need to take your time. You need to practice on the evals and take it slow.
I'm about to get stop out and I'll be done for today. Yep. Oh, no. Okay, now I'm done. Ah,
There goes gold.
I'm ready
But
with
are you still in gold?
me
Am?
No,
not.
Sorry.
I got out. I got out.
Okay. Because I know you're looking for 24, weren't you? And wasn't that what you were initially looking for?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then I decided just to get out once I saw my account
That's all
balance was
good.
at 5K.
Okay, so I'm red with these trade-off-I accounts and green with the TPT. I'm done for today. I'm gonna have fun and enjoy my cruise.
Oh yeah, did you ever send pictures?
I'll send you guys picture
What are you
when I'm
doing?
on PR in Puerto Rico.
Where are you going? What are you doing?
Nice.
Little vacation?
Yeah, I'm on a cruise this entire week.
You trading on the cruise?
Yep.
No, just go enjoy the cruise. You crazy.
Yeah. Well, I talk to you
You
guys
crazy.
mañana.
Yeah, Marco will be here in a week. Later.
Bye.